Hi you guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps and I am back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a final flip through of my San Francisco travel album. So I went to San Francisco in October of 2021 and we actually went for the music festival Outside Lands. It's normally held, I think, in the late summer. Sorry, I'm like peeling off little dog hairs from the cover. It's normally held, I think, in late summer, but because of COVID it was pushed to October, and it was actually fell on Halloween weekend, which was pretty fun. So also don't mind one of my nails, the polish popped off. So hopefully that's not too distracting. But I'm working out of a Citrus Twist Life Crafted album. I believe it's in the color Marigold. And I think that's it. So I just put SF Outside Lands on the book plate. And we can just jump right in. I will link all of the process videos down below. I shared 3 process videos throughout the time I was making this album, but I definitely worked on a lot of it without recording just because I was jumping around a lot when I was working in it. So it just didn't lend itself well to recording. Sorry, I'm like messing with the album. Anyways, so you open it up. I cover the inside. This is a paper from Color Fresh. I used all paper from my stash. I didn't buy anything new except for the album itself. And I think I bought a digital kit, but I just collected a bunch of like super fun, colorful papers. So the front cover is covered, and then I created this little pocket. I'm holding it down with score tape, but it's kind of like coming up, so I need to do something else. But I made a pocket to hold the little like flyer pamphlet thing. It talks about all the food, and there's like it's a map, if I can open it. It's like a big map, which is fun. And then it shows like the lineup and stuff. So I thought that would be cool to keep. And I kept one in pretty good condition. So it lives inside this janky little pocket. I need to fix that. But that's another thing to do on another day. Then I created this little opening kind of page with some puffy stickers and a clear like acetate piece. I think I got this from scrapbook.com. I think it's from the Fantastico collection. American Crafts, designed by Obed Marshall. I could be wrong. Then we open up to the first page. It's a page of us like on the plane. So it's me and my boyfriend, or me and my boyfriend. Ali Edwards' little clear sticker. And then this is a journaling card from In a Creative Bubble. I bought the In a Creative Bubble digital kit for the San Francisco collection. These are both also In a Creative Bubble cards. Just a few stickers. This is a photo from the first day. Little journaling. We got boba on the first day in Chinatown. I made a little shaker pocket, and this is like the name of the boba place. We also took the little, what was it called? I don't know, like little trolley thing. It's like the super stereotypical like trolley that you take, like you see it in the movies of San Francisco. And this is my little clipper card. And then you can see we scratched off, it was October 28th when we did that. This was drinks. We went to Drinks Before Dinner on the first night. I still haven't figured out the name of the place we were at. I couldn't remember. So I have to try and see if I can figure that out, and I'll put that there. And then this is where we ate dinner the first night. Again, I don't have a name of it on here, but it's not a huge deal. Then I have a photo of us the morning of the first day of the festival. So this was Friday morning. And it's just this frame is from an Ali Edwards collection. And then just 2 photos of us getting ready, my friend and my brother. And then this is one of those cards from In a Creative Bubble. This is just a random card. I think it's from a recent Simple Stories collection. And then a photo of me. There was this like really fun, like I think it was called Rainbow Alley or something, Balloon Alley maybe. Just like an art display that was on the way to the house we were going to before the first day of the festival. And then I saved my wristband and put it inside this pocket, and I stitched it in, or I fused it in with the fuse tool. Photo of me and my friend on the first day. It was super, super foggy. And then the first night, here's my brother and his friend. I did a bunch of journaling. I didn't include this in the process video, so this is new to you guys. And then just a photo of the first night. Here we went to Japantown and got ramen. So I created this cute little like flip out because I wanted to use a horizontal photo, but it doesn't really fit that well in this kind of album unless you put it sideways. And then again, I have this blank. I need to figure out the name of this ramen restaurant that we were at, but it was super good. Another one of me just chowing down on my ramen. Added a little pom-pom border. This is day 2. Just a little flip up of us. I thought these photos were really fun. I added a little Tim Holtz token. And then the night of the second night, super fun, just cute photos again. Those frames are from Ali Edwards. 2 full page photos of us on day. This is the same day as this one. It's just kind of in different order. I wanted these to be together. So I wanted them to be like this, even though this is from the night. So sort of chronological, but day 2, photo of us. Again, I used one of those Ali Edwards clear stickers, and I did a bunch of puffy hearts with a staple through them. Another full-size photo, super fun photo of the stage. And then day 3 was Halloween, so we dressed up. My boyfriend was Mario, I was Princess Peach, my best friend was Daisy, and then my brother was this, like, I don't know, a dead chef or something, or a zombie chef. So he did his own thing. This is from the Nelly and Clem Halloween kit. So this little You Do You Boo, and then the Creepin' It Real. Another frame from Ali Edwards, some little stickers, some puffy stickers, photo of my brother, and I created a little shaker. And there's a couple little cut aparts from that Nelly and Clem kit as well. And then I did a bunch of journaling about the whole weekend, kind of summing it up. And then a photo from the last night, which was Halloween. And then a bye, OSL, which is Outside Lands. And then the last day before we flew out, my brother and I went and got boba. So another boba photo. And then a photo of us on our way out of town. So this is my brother with his suitcase, his backpack, and it just says until next time. And then I did a little collection of ephemera. And this is all from a Citrus Twist ephemera pack. So yeah, that is it for the album. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already checked out the process videos, definitely go ahead and look at those. I really, really love working out of Citrus Twist albums, especially for like a trip like this. Doing like a mini trip album is super fun. I really like the size, I like the format, and it was a super fun trip. So documenting something super colorful, like a music festival in San Francisco, was really, really fun. And I also love that I was able to use all things for my stash besides the little, what are they called? These little cards from In a Creative Bubble, and they're digital, so it wasn't like I bought something super expensive. But yeah, I love the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you've been to San Francisco, let me know down below, especially if you've been to Outside Lands. It was super fun, different than other festivals I've been to, but it was really fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.